Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I will show you how to send high quality videos on WhatsApp. So without any delay, let's get started. First of all, make sure you are using a latest version of WhatsApp. In order to check, all you have to do is visit Play Store, search for WhatsApp. As you can see, my WhatsApp application in my device is up to date. Now let's open WhatsApp application in our device. Now choose a chat which you want to send a video to. Then you will see a camera icon in the bottom right side of your device. Hit that icon. After that, choose a video you want to send. As you can see in the top screen, there is a SD icon. Tap it. Now here you will see two options. All you have to do is click on SD quality and hit the send button below. So this is how you can send high quality videos on WhatsApp. That's it for today, guys. I hope it was helpful. Thank you all for watching and stay tuned till our next upload.